hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video, we're going to be diving in to the Lush kitchen box for September. Now, me and this box, we've had a time. Honestly, I firstly thought that Yodel stole my parcel, which for about 12 hours was definitely believable, and I seem to have received it like a week after everyone else, so I'm so sorry that this video is a lot later than normal. However, we have it in our hands, I have finally got it, and honestly I couldn't be happier. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So let's dive into this box. I'm not gonna lie, I have seen a few spoilers, a few sneak peeks, because I was just seeing everybody receive theirs. I was thinking like where's my box? And basically the situation is that Yodel had sent me an email being like, rate your delivery, and I was like, I haven't received it, and it said like, oh, we delivered it at 3:22, and I was like, no you didn't. Anyway, it was an error in the system. Long story short, I was in a foul mood last night because I thought that Yodel stole my parcel, and I was thinking, whoever stole my box, I hope you enjoy it. But then it turned up today and here we are. So anyway, let's dive into this month's box. This month's box's theme, obsessed with it. So this is the card on the inside. So I'm guessing like circus kind of vibe. It's giving Greatest Showman sort of situation. So this is what it looks like, and honestly I just can't wait to dive into these products. As I said, I have seen sneak peeks, but I haven't read scents and I haven't really seen the items in detail, if you know what I mean. So let's just dive into the box. It smells insane. It's giving like passion fruit, popcorny, sweetie, yoggnoggy vibes. So let's dive in. I don't know where to start. As always, I think we're going to go with tubs, pots, bottles, etc. So let's dive into the first item. Okay, so we have the Super World Unknown Body Scrub, and on this one it says, astonish your senses with the exfoliating magic of caster sugar, softening coconut oil, and sweet otherworldly scent. Oh, and a sweet otherworldly scent, sorry. And this one, ingredients wise, has caster sugar, olive oil, coconut oil, lemon oil, neroli oil, sandalwood oil, cocoa absolute, and benzoin resinoid. I think Super World Unknown is a fragrance that Lush have done before. Correct me if I'm wrong. I feel like this product and this fragrance is a very popular one. Have I smelt it? I don't think so. But the packaging is beautiful. It is giving circus vibes, which I love. So let's dive in and see what it smells like. I'm so excited because all of my friends have said that they just want to devour this. So, ooh, okay, look at that. That looks edible. I really just want to put my whole entire mouth in this pot. Let's give it a smell. Oh, okay. Do you know, this smells like something familiar, but I feel like I can't pinpoint what it smells like. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like I've smelt this before, but I don't know what on. It's almost like mixing floral with like strawberry, and that sounds really weird because fruit-wise, I don't see anything of that kind of nature apart from like the lemon oil. It's a really bizarre smell. It's got rose in there. It smells floral. Maybe it's the lemon I can smell, like that kind of sour lemon smell. It does smell really good though, and it looks beautiful. I love the look of this. Like, I really am enjoying the thicker body scrubs. I'm finding myself enjoying these so much more than the old formula where it was really runny. I just think these ones, like, they're so thick. You don't drop it in the shower. I find that I waste so much less product. So, oh, I love that. That is so good and definitely a good start to this box. Okay, now let's move on to the next item. I'm going to go for this other potted product. This is the Creamy Candy Body Lotion. Oh my goodness, I love creamy candy. To me, creamy candy really takes me back to working for Lush, because when I started working there, it wasn't like as a Christmas temp or anything, so I didn't have Snow Fairy, but for me, creamy candy was like the ultimate bubblegum scent back then. I am so excited to smell this one. On this one, it says, step right up for the hang on, see, I knew I'd mess it up. Step right up for one ticket to instant softness and sweet candy floss fragrance. And ingredients wise, this one has orange flower water, almond oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, lippy butter, vanilla absolute, and I think that's basically it. Let's give it a smell. I'm honestly so excited. Oh, it's just so good. So this is what it looks like. It's a really subtle pink colour, which I feel like for creamy candy, it has to be a really subtle pink colour. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna have to try it. Oh, it's a lovely texture. Okay, so this is the texture of it. It's not overly thick, but it's definitely not a thin lotion. It's a really lovely in between, and it is very moisturizing. Let's give it a smell on the skin. It's so good. Oh my goodness, that is the most delicious, yummy thing I've ever smelled in my life. I'm also so incredibly sorry if you can hear any outside noise. I feel like it is so loud out there today, but it's so incredibly humid, so we're gonna have to deal with the window, but that smells incredible. I can still feel it on my hands. I feel like this is definitely, I'm not gonna lie, it is a greasier textured lotion. However, it's worth it for the smell. Put a little bit of dusting powder on this and I feel like it would be perfection. I am so impressed with that one. So, oh, it's delish. Love that. Next up, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I have heard some incredible things about this next item and I'm so excited to finally smell it. So this is the Cherry Pop Shower Gel. So this one says, pop the top and lather up with this tangy wash made with cherries that smells just like the real thing. And ingredients wise on this one, it says it has cherry infusion, agave syrup, balsamic vinegar, which is really interesting. It also has cinnamon leaf oil, lime oil, and almond essential oil. I have heard that this changes colour, which I am so intrigued by. Let's give it a smell first and see. Wow, okay. Are you joking? Stop. That smells, I'm salivating. That's the best thing I've ever smelled in my life. I feel like this is the sort of smell that Lush have been missing. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I don't think this is the same scent as something we've had before. This one smells absolutely incredible. I absolutely love the smell of cherries, and it's that really delicious, like sweet American candy cherry smell. Like, it just smells so good. And this one is actually colour changing, which I am just mesmerised by, because I wouldn't have even realised that this changes colour if I didn't see it on Instagram and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put a tiny bit on my hand. So if you guys can see, obviously this is a really deep green colour and I don't want to waste a lot of it, so I am going to put a tiny bit on my hand. Stop. You can see that it's green. Like, can you see it's green? Like, it is a green shower gel, but it's red. I am mind blown. This is the most insane thing I have ever seen Lush make. I'm just shook. Like, this is genius. Whoever came up with this, 10 million points to you, because a colour changing shower gel like that is so, that's just magical, and it fits this box perfectly. I am so excited about this. I think, honestly, if Lush make this ever, you guys have to get some. It smells beautiful. Like, it is making my mouth water thinking about it, and honestly, I just want to lick that. I won't. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so now we're going to dive on to the last two items, which I believe are both Naked products. So let's have a look and see what we have. Oh, okay. Instantly, I'm really impressed with the packaging. I think Lush definitely need to do this a lot more often, because I find that sometimes having a lot of Naked items in a box, it cross-contaminates and sometimes they look a little bit messy. But this is the Magic Bubble Bar. This is what it looks like. So the plastic it's wrapped in is actually biodegradable, so I believe you can just melt it with some hot water and it will just wash away, which is really fun. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got almond oil, citric acid, geranium oil, amyris oil, and violet leaf absolute. I am going to open it because I need to know what this smells like. Oh, it doesn't smell how I imagined it to smell in my head. It's a very fresh floral smell. Like, it's a very subtle fragrance. I'm really intrigued to give this a try. I think this product has been released before. Correct me if I'm wrong. I feel like this is a very old product. I might be wrong though, but it definitely rings some bells with me, especially the way it looks and stuff. But I'm so excited to give this one a try. And last but definitely not least, we have what looks to be a bath bomb, and this is probably the weirdest looking textured bath bomb I have ever seen in my life. So this is the Pop Art Bath Bomb, which looks like this. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got popping candy, sea salt, cornstarch, and a few other bits and pieces. Scent wise though, oh, that is really, I'm salivating. Wow. Is that yognog scented? It smells like yognog to me. Like, it smells like caramel, toffee. I feel like that is yognog. correct me if I'm wrong, but it is giving yogurt vibes. The texture, again, as I said, it is very strange. Like, it is very crumbly looking. It almost looks, as you can see, it's falling all over the floor. It almost looks like a bubble bar kind of texture, which is really interesting, but that smells, I'm literally gonna dribble. That is so good. So good. So those are all of the products that were in the Lush Kitchen box for September. I would love to know down below, did you get this month's box? What did you think, and what was your favourite item? Honestly, hands down, for me, it has to be the shower gel. Like, this is the most innovative, incredible thing I have ever seen Lush make, and I just cannot get over it. Like, I would love to see some more colour changing things in the future, like maybe, I don't know, like a colour changing lip scrub. Like, could you do that? That would be really cool. Or a shower scrub. I don't know. I just think that this is, it's just the most genius thing ever, because originally I thought that maybe the bottle is green, but it's like most definitely not. Like, the actual liquid inside is green, and I'm just mind blown. It is so cool. So overall, this box was absolutely incredible, and I'm just in love with everything. So I'm so excited to try it all. And yeah, honestly, just obsessed. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and if you haven't yet already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I upload a lot of Lush content, book content, and some vlogs as well. If that kind of thing interests you, please hit that subscribe button and join our little family. I would love to have you, and yeah, you guys just make my day, and I'm so appreciative. So that is everything. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.